Manchester United.
You what? You see this remote that is here and this thing that is here like this, eh? If I put this thing on your body, I can control you from this remote. Look at this one. I'm serious. If you put this thing on your body, I can control you from the remote. One of my friends gave it to me. He said I did not believe him until he tries it and I saw it. It is working. Come, let me try it for you.
Don't suffocate them.
Okay, let me put this one in your pocket. See, just do something now, you see. Do something.
What be this? What be this?
Help me!
Hey!
Lucky! It's really working. How did you get it?
I told you it's my sure friend that gave it to me.
I want to try it.
You want to try it? Okay. I'll put it in my pocket. Yeah. I'll jump, then you press it. You press pause.
Bombastic sideline.
Some of you are just evil. Lucky, this remote is not working though. What should I press? Should I press the red button?
Wait, that red button is a bomb.
I'm not even speaking out.
Don't press the red button.
Jesus.
You see this remote that is here and this thing that is here like this, eh? If I put this thing on your body, I can control. You're mad.